change begins with a decision to no longer settle for less than you deserve, a decision to take control of your life, your habits, and your destiny. You cannot build a better life with the same old thinking. You must decide to grow beyond who you were yesterday. You are not limited by your past. You are shaped by your choices today. Discipline is the foundation of all growth. It is the silent force that turns potential into power. Without discipline, goals are just wishes. With discipline, impossible becomes inevitable. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It is the daily commitment to do what others will not, so you can live as others cannot. Every dream requires a price. The price is consistency, focus, and sacrifice. The world does not reward the lazy. It rewards the relentless. You cannot hope your way to success. You must work your way there. Every morning you rise is a new opportunity to become stronger, smarter, and more disciplined. Do not waste that chance. Success is not built in a day, but it is built every day. The small things you do, reading one more page, waking up a little earlier, saying no to one more distraction, they add up. Success is not one big leap. It's 1,000 small steps walked with discipline. The man or woman you are becoming is far more important than any material reward. You cannot control the world, but you can control your attitude. You cannot control the wind, but you can adjust your sails. Life will not always be easy, but it will always be fair, because it gives you what you earn, not what you wish for. Do not ask for an easier life. Ask for the strength to handle the challenges ahead. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. If you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. But if you work hard on yourself, you'll make a fortune. Your personal development is the key to every door. When you grow, everything around you grows. The more valuable you become, the more value you attract. Be a student, not a follower. Learn from everyone, but think for yourself. Don't just repeat words, understand ideas. Wisdom is not memorized, it is lived. Knowledge alone will not change you. Applied knowledge reading a book will not make you rich. Living its lessons will. Take what you learn and turn it into action. You will face failure. You will face rejection. You will fall. But every fall teaches you how to rise higher. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. The pain you feel today is the foundation of your strength tomorrow. Those who never fail are those who never try. Stand tall. Keep going. You are stronger than you think. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not pull you down. You become like those you spend the most time with. If you walk with the wise, you will become wise. If you walk with the lazy, you will become lazy. Protect your energy. Choose your circle carefully. Success is contagious, so is failure. Decide which one you want to catch. Time is your most precious asset. You can make more money, but you cannot make more time. Every wasted moment is gone forever. Use your time wisely. Turn your hours into progress. Do not spend your life watching others live their dreams while you stand still. Take charge. Move forward. Act now. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Progress is personal. The only competition that matters is between your current self and your potential self. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better every single day. Small improvements, practiced daily, create unstoppable transformation. Discipline is freedom. The more disciplined you are, the more freedom you have. Freedom from fear, from regret, from mediocrity. Discipline gives you the power to create your own destiny. The undisciplined are slaves to impulse. The disciplined are masters of life. Choose mastery. Fear is natural, but it does not define you. The brave are not those without fear. They are those who move forward despite it. Feel the fear and act anyway. Every time you face fear, you gain power. Every time you avoid it, you lose strength. Growth begins where comfort ends. Gratitude turns ordinary days into blessings. When you are grateful, you see abundance where others see scarcity. Gratitude keeps your heart soft and your mind strong. Be thankful for what you have, while working for what you want. The secret to happiness is not getting more. It's appreciating what you already have, while pursuing what's next. You don't get paid for time. You get paid for the value you bring to that time. Increase your value. Learn new skills. Develop your mind. Practice your craft. Excellence attracts opportunity. The world rewards mastery, not mediocrity. Don't aim to be busy. Aim to be effective. Character is built in the dark when no one is watching. It's built in the quiet hours, in the choices no one sees. Every disciplined act builds your integrity. Every broken promise weakens it. Be the kind of person who keeps promises, who does the right thing even when it's hard. That is true leadership. Don't wish life were easier. Wish you were better. Don't pray for less problems. Pray for more wisdom. Growth only happens in resistance. Without challenge, there is no strength. Without struggle, there is no victory. The hard times are not there to break you, they are there to build you. Pour. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself. Feed your body with good food, your mind with good thoughts, your soul with good habits. Rest when you must, but never quit. Balance is not about doing less, it's about doing right. When you commit to discipline, you separate yourself from the crowd. Most people choose comfort over growth. They choose distraction over focus. But the few who choose discipline, they are the ones who change their lives. Discipline is the price of greatness, and it is always worth it. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are your choices. You are your persistence. You are your willingness to rise after every fall. The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Learn, grow, and move forward. Every new day is a chance to rebuild yourself stronger than before. The world will not believe in you until you believe in yourself. Confidence is not arrogance. It is the quiet assurance that you can handle whatever comes your way. Believe in your power, in your potential, in your purpose. You were not created to be average. You were born to make an impact. When you master discipline, you master life. When you master your emotions, you master success. When you master your time, you master your destiny. Every day you wake up, you are being given another chance to rewrite your story. Don't waste it. Discipline yourself to focus when it's hard, to stay calm when it's stressful, to move forward when it's uncertain, because the world belongs to those who persist. Success is not about luck, it's about preparation, patience, and persistence. So rise early, work hard, stay humble, be grateful, keep learning, stay consistent, keep faith. Your future self is watching. Make them proud, because success is not something you get, it's something you become.